Here is a Honda Fit key remote. We have one slot over there. For that you need a flathead screwdriver, and you have one screw over here that you have to take off. For that you'll need a very small Phillips head screwdriver. The size for this is 00 PH00. Without this tool you will not be able to do this job. So go ahead, get that small screw out using the screwdriver. Be careful to not lose it. Keep it somewhere safe. Now get the screwdriver and put it right in that slot and then give it a firm twist. Go in there, firm twist, it opens up. Follow along that edge and then give it one more twist, and that should completely open it up right over there. Now let's get the battery out. Put the screwdriver right from that edge and then pry the battery out. The battery size is 1620, says it right there on it. The positive side is marked with the plus sign, the negative side has no markings on it. Check the link in description to buy the new battery from Amazon. Go ahead, put the new battery with the negative side facing upwards just the way I'm showing, and make sure it's secured in place. That's good. Put this cover back on with the other half. Press it together, and now let's put this small screw back in place. And be careful to not over tighten it, or because you will damage it otherwise. That's good enough. Let's try this. Press the button, the light's blinking there. Let's go outside and try it out. This is working good and hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.